day, everybody. This is Michael Levitis from juristq.com, a legal network where we answer commonly asked legal questions with our participating attorneys. One of such attorneys, our guru, our go-to person for immigration law is Yakov Spector. Yakov, welcome back.
Hi, Michael.
Thanks for being with us. Marriage green cards, very big topic. People heard about it, people know about it. It's a mechanism that's legal, that's available to get your status in America. If you don't have such paperwork, such status, but you are engaged or getting married or are married to a US citizen, correct? So I want to talk about when you can apply for a green card based on marriage if you are inside United States, and when you have to be outside United States. So let's talk about that.
Sure. One thing to note. Yes, it is a big topic. Marriage green cards. I think there was even a movie made about it, and the movie played
many movies.
With the idea that hey, someone will be helping someone else to get a green card, just by getting married. And so a lot of people call me and they say, hey, you know what? Where can I find a husband for a green card? Okay, so that's wrong. Okay,
that's wrong.
You guys.
That's illegal.
That's illegal. Yes, you might even go to jail for that. So this is only for those of you who found love. Okay, right. Who are getting married. Their wife or their husband happens to be a U.S. citizen. Good for you. Okay, and now all of a sudden, you want to get your green card based on the fact that your wife or your husband is a U.S. citizen, and all of a sudden someone like me, an immigration lawyer, is telling you that, hey, you know what, he cannot apply for you inside the United States. You will have to go back and do your interview at the consulate, at the American consulate. So how come? Obviously, you know that there are some situations when people could just apply for their green cards. They don't have to leave the country. They have their interview with their wife here, and then they get their green cards. And then some people cannot. So today I'm going to actually shine some light on that mystery. Please. You'll know if you're able to just stay in the United States and apply for your green card if you're married to a U.S. citizen, or not. And it's a very simple rule. Even if you are here illegally right now, which means, let's say you came here on a visitor visa and just stayed here, and you have no status here, so you're undocumented, your visa ran out, but as long as you entered legally, meaning that you were inspected at the border by a border officer, you came here with a valid visa, you know what? That means that you can stay here and apply for your green card with your wife or your husband, and you won't have to leave the country.
Perfect.
Now,
so if you came here as a tourist, on a student visa, on a work visa, then you're okay to apply for your marriage green card in America.
Exactly. But if you cross the border, let's say the southern border, at some point when you were younger, you paid, a coyote, a human smuggler, to bring you in, and after lots of adventures, he actually did. And there's no record of you entering this country legally. And now you get married to a U.S. citizen, and this is not something that you'll be able to do inside the United States. There is a separate process for that. And that's simply how the law is written. Okay, so, but this is how you know. If you came here legally, you get to stay and get your green card. If you came here illegally, cross the border, then you'll still get your green card, but it will take longer, and you'll have to leave for a couple of weeks to do your consular interview. Okay, so that's a very easy rule. There are exceptions to that rule. Okay, so you definitely want to run it by someone like me. Okay, but if you're married to a U.S. citizen, don't just go about filing paperwork. Okay, know where you stand.
By the way, I want to remind our viewers and listeners that we did a whole interview before on how to prepare for a marriage green card interview. So please go back to our materials on YouTube, on Facebook, Instagram, and you're going to have a whole session what documents you need, what proof, what to expect from a marriage green card interview. But Yaakov, for now, thank you so much for shedding the light on exactly when you have to apply, or you can apply for a marriage green card within US and when outside of US. And this is such an important topic, and it's so common. We may do more videos on this topic to explain more what are your rights, why you wait for this interview, who qualifies, who does not, fiance versus girlfriend versus wife. So please stay tuned. We're going to have much more information for you on marriage green cards and other immigration law questions. Yaakov, Spector, thank you so much. If you have any specific questions on your case, on your situation, please contact the number below on our screen to schedule a consultation with Yaakov Spector. Thank you so much, everybody, and have a great day. Until next time.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.